Hello there, folks. Hello there. Today, I'm going to do a little trivia video. We got this Brainiac trivia pack. It's a little gift. And I figured it would be nice to fall asleep to. If you're like me, you need a lot of distraction to fall asleep, and hopefully this trivia will do that. I'm quite bad at trivia, but this one is more science focused than like an average trivia night. Physics, biology, and chemistry. So maybe I'll be able to get some of these questions. We shall see. Whole deck. Probably not gonna get through all of them. We'll go through some, and if it's a good video, maybe I'll do the rest. First one up, chemistry. The symbol Ag stands for which element? Give you a few seconds. 3, 2, 1. Silver. Ag stands for silver. Next up, we got a multiple choice. What is the most common isotope? Oh, these are gonna be bad, I can already tell. What is the most common isotope of hydrogen? Deuterium, tritium, protium, or neutron. A, deuterium, B, tritium, C, protium, or D, neutron. 3, 2, 1. C, protium. I had no idea, and I'll probably forget it in a few minutes. This one's a little easier. And kind of multiple choice. Does a proton have a positive or negative charge? Positive or negative? 3, 2, 1. Positive. Positive proton, positive proton, positive proton. I didn't shuffle very well because these are all chemistry, so a little more shuffling. Get something else this time. We shall see. Chemistry. Who developed? Oh goodness. Good luck. Who developed the original concept of atoms? They don't even give you a multiple choice. this is common knowledge. 3, 2, 1. Democritus and Leucippus. Kind of a trick question since it's two people. Democritus and Leucippus. Alright, back to chemistry. What is the modern name for the element Sb, stibnum or stibnite? Those aren't the multiple choices, that's what it used to be called. What is the modern name for it? 3, 2, 1. Antimony. We're going back in for another shuffle. Let's see if I can do this whole thing. It's a large deck. Not too bad. Biology. This one's interesting. What is the pH value of human blood? A, 7.4, B, 7.7, C, 0, or D, 8.2. 3, 2, 1. A, 7.4, 7.4. So water is around 7. So kind of the same pH as water. It's interesting that they asked pH value of human blood. I wonder if different animals have different pHs. Not sure. A light year is a unit of what? A light year is a unit of what? Distance. In the equation, E equals mc squared, what does the C stand for? I theoretically took a class on this, but I guess my brain doesn't hold on to information for long because I would not have remembered. 3, 2, 1. Speed. C in the equation E equals mc squared is speed. Plants synthesize protein from what source? This one I might have actually been able to guess. Maybe. It's multiple choice. A, starch. B, sugar. C, fatty acids. Or D, amino acids. Sugar, spice, everything nice. Starch, sugar, fatty acids, amino acids. Guess in 3, 2, 1. Amino acids. Amino acids, amino acids. Little broken down proteins. Ooh. What is pollination? Multiple choice. A, germination of the pollen grains. B, growth of pollen tube in an ovule. C, transfer of pollen from another stigma. D, visiting flowers by insects. A little bit of a trick question. But 3, 2, 1, C, transfer of pollen from another stigma. feel like D, visiting flowers by insects, is the way that pollination is done. So that was a little bit tricky. If you're this far in the video, maybe a little like or a comment or a subscribe, whatever you'd like. What is botany the study of? Botany is the study of what? 3, 2, 1. Plants. Botany is the study of plants. Plants. If an object is in motion, what kind of energy does it possess? What kind of energy does a moving object possess? 3, 2, 1. Kinetic energy. Kinetic. Gravitational force is directly proportional to the blank of the interacting objects. A, mass. B, weight. C, direction. Or D, distance. Gravity is directly proportional to what? 3, 2, 1. Mass. A, mass. Gravitational force is proportional to the mass of the objects. What is bamboo classified as? A, tree. B, grass. C, weed. Or D, flower. Is bamboo tree, grass, weed, or flower? In 3, 2, 1. Grass. Grass. Very tall grass. Which is hotter, a lightning bolt or the sun? It's a very interesting question. Which is hotter, lightning bolt or sun? 3, 2, 1. Lightning bolt. I definitely would not have gotten that correct. I feel like people live through lightning strikes a lot of the time. Maybe the heat doesn't get to them. It's very localized to the lightning or thunder. Don't really know. What is the largest living structure on Earth? Largest living structure on Earth is the Great Barrier Reef in Australia. That's very interesting. It's considered one living structure. Very cool. Didn't know that. Nuclear sizes are expressed in a unit named what? Don't know what a nuclear size is, so it's a tough one. I'll give you a hint. It's named after a famous scientist. I haven't seen the movie Oppenheimer, but he could have been in that movie. 3, 2, 1. Fermi. Which of the following group of gases contribute to the greenhouse effect? A. Carbon tetrafluoride and nitrous oxide. B. Carbon monoxide and sulfur dioxide. C. Ammonia and ozone. Or D. carbon dioxide and methane. 3, 2, 1. Carbon dioxide and methane. Carbon dioxide and methane. Ozone's the one that we are trying to keep. Which blood protein regulates the amount of water in plasma? The amount of water in plasma. Given that I don't know any blood proteins, I would not have been able to guess this. I don't even know the word. 3, 2, 1. Albumin, albumin, albumin. What is the main element found in the air we breathe? Main element in the air that we breathe. 3, 2, 1. Nitrogen, 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 nitrogen. Among the biotic components of the ecosystem, the producer system is which of the following? A, C, not AC, but A, ocean, B, rivers, C, green plants, or D, animals. Which of those is the producer system? It's 3, 2, 1. It's green plants. Green plants, they make the energy from the sun. What is the force acting on an object perpendicular to the surface called? A, pressure, B, thrust. Oh, I hate when they do this. C, both, or D, none. It's apparently B, thrust. The force acting perpendicular. What is the maximum number of electrons that can fit into the second shell of an atom? Number of electrons that can fit in the second shell of an atom. 3, 2, 1. 8. 8. Which one among the following has the highest energy? A, blue light, B, green light, C, red light, or D, yellow light. Blue, green, red, or yellow has the highest energy. 3, 2, 1. Blue light. A, blue light is the highest energy. That's why the sky's blue, right? Among the following, which is the best conductor of electricity? I'm presuming. Do they mean heat conductor or electric conductor or what? I think they mean electric conductor. A, plastic, B, silver, C, graphite, or D, water. Plastic, silver, graphite, or water. Which one conducts electricity the best? 3, 2, 1. Silver. Silver, silver, silver. There's a bird out my window. If the sun was spontaneously replaced by a black hole of equal mass, Earth would get sucked in, true or false? If the sun was a black hole, would the earth be sucked in? 3, 2, 1, false. False, false, false. Which chemical element is present in the human body than any other by mass? Which chemical element is present in the human body more than any other by mass? 3, 2, 1. Oxygen. Oxygen, oxygen. The human body is 70% water. Water is H2O. So I guess oxygen makes sense. What gas is used for the artificial ripening of green fruit? I had no idea. 3, 2, 1. Oh, I didn't give you the multiple choice. My bad. But I'm impressed you had a guess ready. Which gas? A, ethylene. B, ethane. C, carbon dioxide. Or D, acetylene. Which is used for ripening green fruit? 3, 2, 1. Ethylene. Ethylene, ethylene, ethylene. Ethylene, ethylene. Ethylene, ethylene, ethylene. According to Darwin's theory of evolution, how do new species evolve? According to Darwin, how do new species evolve? 3, 2, 1. Natural selection. Natural selection. When a star runs out of fuel for nuclear fusion and dies in an explosion, what is it called? When a star runs out of fuel and explodes, what is it called? 3, 2, 1. Supernova, supernova, supernova. Supernova, supernova, supernova. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully it put you to sleep. Hopefully you're not even watching this outro. Or hopefully you learned something.